Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to auto-start your Kia Telluride. The only way to remotely start your vehicle is by using the key fob. This convenient feature allows you to warm up or cool down your car before you even step inside. It's a simple process that involves just a couple of button presses on your remote. Make sure you're within a reasonable distance for the signal to reach your vehicle effectively. To begin, make sure your Kia Telluride is completely locked. This is a crucial first step for the remote start system to engage. Next, press the lock button on your key fob one time. Immediately after, press and hold the remote start button, which often has a circular arrow icon, for about 2 to 3 seconds until the vehicle's lights flash and the engine starts. It's that simple. Keep in mind a few important details for optimal use. Once remotely started, your Telluride's engine will run for a maximum of 10 minutes before it automatically turns off. Also, for safety reasons, the system requires the hood to be completely closed and latched. Furthermore, the vehicle must be in park, and all doors must be securely closed for the remote start function to operate correctly. Beyond just starting the engine, you can also preset your climate control before using remote start, ensuring your cabin is comfortable from the moment you open the door. This convenient feature is standard across all Kia Telluride trim levels, so everyone can enjoy it. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the links in the description below, along with other exclusive deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.